Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important question from Module 2, which is based on Relational Algebra. So our question is, considering the following schema. Here our three schema is given. On the basis of that, we have to write a Relational Algebra queries for the following question given here. Here our 5 question given. On the basis of these schemas, we have to write the Relational Algebra queries. So how we will write this? So before that you should know some basics of this one. So here our question keywords given here, on the basis of that only we have to use an operator. So our first question keyword is find rows matching a condition. Firstly we have to find the rows which are matching according to our condition given in the question. So our first one, which is selection, which is denoted by sigma. Now the second one, which is show only specific columns, means projection, in which we will represent it by pi. Then combine tables, which will combine the both tables with join, which is represented by this symbol. Then red and green, which is represented by intersection. Then red or green means or and we are using here. On the basis of that we will write intersection, and in the place of or we will write union. And for all boards, all projects and all subjects, so on the basis of all we will write division, which is represented by this symbol. Now we will understand directly in the question using it, and for better understanding of these notations, so we are directly implement these notations. So first of all we will understand these three relations. So first one is sailors, means the sailor table stores the detail of the sailors. It contains 4 attributes. SID means sailor ID, then sname, which is sailor name, then the rating of the sailor, then the age of the sailor. So for example, if we have like 101, then Rahul, then 8 and 25, what it means? It means sailor ID is 101, the sailor's name is Rahul, his rating is 8 and his age is 25. So like this it is represented here. Now for the boat, boats mean the boat table store information about the boats. It contains 3 attributes. In this, first one is BID, means boat ID. Then the bname means boat name and the color of the boat. For example, if we write 1 boat A red, what it means? It means boat ID is 1, the boat name is boat A and the color of boat is red. Now this is the most important table. It tells us which sailor reserved which boat. It contains 3 attributes. SID means sailor ID, then BID, which is boat ID, and the day, the reservation day. For example, 101, then 1 and Monday. What it means? It means sailor 101 reserved boat on Monday. Notice that this table does not store the sailor's name or the boat's name. It only stores their IDs. So whenever we want the sailor's name or boat details, we need to connect the tables. That is why we use the join operation here. Now we are going to solve our first question, which is asked as find the name of sailors who have reserved red and a green boat. So solution for the first one. Solution for 1. So first we need to find the red boards as given in the question. So we use selection here. So as we have seen in the operator section, in the selection we will use sigma. So sigma of color, which is equals to red. So we write red, which is of boards. So like this you first write. Then next we join the result with the reserves table. This tells us which sailors reserve red boards. Now we project only the seller's ID. Similarly, we repeat the same process for green boards. Now we have 2 lists of seller ID. One list contains seller who reserved red boards. The second list contains seller who reserved green boards. Since the question says both, we need only the common seller's ID. Therefore, we use the intersection operation. Next, we join the results with the reserve table. This tells us which sellers reserve red boards. So how we will represent this? We will write R, which is equals to pi of SID we will write. Then sigma, which color? Color is equals to red. So color which is equals to red. And then what it means, it is boards. So boards. Now we will write the join operation, means we will join with the reserves. So join, we will write like this, join with reserves. Now we will like this, we will write for G means green, which is pi and SID. Then we will choose the another color, which is green here. Easy. Then boards, we will join again with the reserves. Now we have joined here. Now what we will do, we will do the intersection of this, because in the question it asks find the name of sellers who have reserved red and is here. So intersection of red and green boards. So we will write pi of sname, which is asked. So sname, there is a bracket, we will write sellers, then join with the red and green boards. So like this you have to write for the first one. This is easy and easily you can write like this. Now for the second one, which question asked is find the names of the sellers who have reserved a red board. So it is asked only the red boards. So directly we will write like this. For the second one, pi of sname, whatever it is asked, then find the name of the sellers. So sellers we will write, which is interacted with the who have reserved. So we will write join and it will reserves. Then again a red board, it is also containing board. So again we will join here, join with the, firstly we will write the color, select the color which is red, and red is what, board. So boards, and close the bracket. So this is for the second answer. Now we will solve the third one, in which it asks find the name of sellers who have reserved a red or green board. So here what we will do, here we will join sellers with the reserves and then intersection of the colors red and green. So it is very easy, you can write like this. Firstly we will write pi of sname, which is easy. Then here is our sellers, so we will write sellers joining with the what it has, reserves. Now it up to here it is done. Then again we will write the join operation. Then we will choose the color, what the color asked, red and green. So how we will write that, sigma of color, which is equals to red, or means union, any one should be there, union. Then again we will write color, which can be equals to green, and it is of boards. So we will write the boards part here, then close the bracket. So like this up to third one we will do. Now for the fourth one, भाई ऊपर कर दो तो बस. In this question, first find all SID and BID pairs. So here what we will do, R is equals to pi of SID and BID, which is under reserves. Then find all boards ID, means B is equals to pi of BID, we will write here, and boards. Now apply division here, because in the question it asks find the name of sellers who have reserved all boards. So here all is used. For all we know that we will use the division, as we have clearly seen in this table. For all boards and all projects, like all subjects, we will use division. Now we will do the division part here. Simply we will write pi of sname, because here we have to find the names. So we have written pi of sname, then sellers, as it is given, find the name of sellers. So we will write sellers, then join with what, R and B. So we will write like this for the fourth one. So firstly you have to understand the whole concept of how you should assign the operator according to the question given asked. So this is very important. You should know this one. If you know this one, it will be very easy for you to write in the examination. So if you want these notes, you guys can join our WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel, whose link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.